Welcome to my channel Information and Tech. If you are using uTorrent on your mobile phone, then here is the best setting. If you apply this setting, you will get best result and fast downloading speed. So follow this step one by one. You have to edit on your mobile phone if you are using uTorrent or BitTorrent client. First of all, I am open setting in your BitTorrent. As you can see, here is different menu. So first of all, you have to change this menu accordingly. As you can see, download limit will be increased up to maximum, because if you are using any value here, then your download limit will be stuck on the same value and not will be increased. And the next step is upload limit will be down up to 1 kbps, 5 kbps or 25 kbps, depend on your internet speed. The next menu is torrent, active torrent limit. So as you can see, it is off, and when you download any uTorrent, then this will be added. So the number of torrent will be increased and your speed will be down. So you have must to restrict it up to 3, 5 or 4. Next is incoming port. This is very important port, because sometime your ISP block this port, so you have to change this port accordingly. As I am changing here, this is a non default port, so normally it does not block from ISP. So you have to edit it, and then you have go to again in here, start search, and then add any uTorrent file and check the result. So you will get a best result. If you have any issue, comments us, I will guide you. Thanks for watching.